In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find TikTok Shop on PC. If you want to explore or manage TikTok Shop from your computer, the process is quick and straightforward, and I'll walk you through it so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening TikTok on your PC. Head to the TikTok website in your browser and sign into your account. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to use for selling or shop access. Using a modern browser and a stable internet connection will make everything load smoothly. Once you're signed in, look toward the top right corner of the TikTok website for the More menu. Depending on your layout, it may appear as a 3-line or 3-dot icon, or simply a button labeled More. Click that to open the additional options. In that menu, select Sell on Shop. This is your gateway to the seller experience on TikTok. When you click it, you'll be redirected to TikTok Shop in your browser. The redirect is automatic and should land you on the Seller Center or a setup page, depending on whether you've created a shop before. If you haven't set up a shop yet, TikTok will guide you through entering the necessary details for your shop. Simply follow the prompts on your screen. The platform may ask for general business information and verification details, and it will explain what's needed at each step. Take your time and ensure your information is accurate, as this helps with smooth approval and access. If you're selling as an individual rather than a company, choose the option that best reflects your situation when prompted. After you complete those on-screen steps, you'll be able to access TikTok Shop on your PC. From there, you can explore your dashboard, review settings, and get familiar with the controls you'll use to manage products and orders. For convenience, consider bookmarking the shop page so you can return to it quickly in the future. If you don't see the More option or the Sell on Shop link, double-check that you're logged in, refresh the page, and confirm you're using a region where TikTok Shop is available. Clearing your browser cache or trying another browser can also help if the page doesn't load correctly. That's all you need to find TikTok Shop on PC. Open your TikTok account, click More, choose Sell on Shop, and follow the on-screen prompts if you're new. Thanks for watching, and enjoy managing your shop right from your computer.